On number 5, my first step is to get the bases to match. So the left-hand side I'm not going to change at all. And the right-hand side, the 1 over 10, I'm going to express that as 10 raised to the negative 1. So again, I haven't changed the value. These are the same thing. They're just expressed in different ways. And I want to express it as 10 raised to the negative 1 so that my bases match. And now I can just look at the exponents. So 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 1. And then add 5. So 2x is equal to 4. And then divide both sides by 2. So 2 will be our final answer. On question 6, we already have the same base. So we just need to look at the exponents. So I just need to solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 6 plus 5x. I want to subtract 5x from both sides, and then add 3 to both sides, and then divide both sides by negative 3 to get negative 3.